What is up guys, welcome back to a cheesy techie video, and today I bought a gaming monitor, specifically this Xiaomi curved gaming monitor G34WQi. W stands for widescreen, or I would like to call it as ultra wide according to Xiaomi. Q, which stands for the 3440 by 1440p resolution. I have no idea what I stand for, but anyways, here's some features that it has. 1 millisecond response time, 180 refresh rate, which is going to be a big deal to me because I used to own a Acer monitor that casts out like 60 Hz. I can't wait to see how the high refresh rate monitor goes by. And yes, you may be right, Xiaomi, not only they make phones, they make cars, they make monitors, and also TV and some home appliances and all that kind of stuff. So this is quite recent. I think this one released a few years ago, a few months ago, I guess. Yeah, this is my first time actually daily drove a ultra-wide monitor because 34-inch is quite very big. The reason why I got this because it's quite affordable. I bought it on Shopee for $263 with plus all the vouchers and all that kind of stuff, where I can get this for cheap. The normal price on Shopee is selling for is around $300 plus. Honestly, it's a good deal compared to other monitors that I found, the AOC G34, whatever the hell that is, or the most expensive of the greatest, the QD OLED, the Alienware, that one, the AW something, you know, proof from Blindness Tech Tips. Loves it so much, but I don't have $1,000 to spend on a fucking monitor. I bought this. No matter whatever, it works for me, it works for me. Enough talking. Let's see what's on the side of the box. Is just same thing as the front, and this and the other side same thing, but I have the energy rating. Lol. On the other side is just all specification, all that blah blah blah, what's the model, regulation stuff. And on the top of it is just unpacking what's the contents inside. I'm gonna show you the assembly process. So enough talking, let's unbox it. Okay. Inside the box, what is it that we have? Let's start is with menu. To show what is the assembly process is like. Some gibberish. Here's the specs. If you want to pause it and read, here you go. More mounting stuff. Base adjustment. You can just go up and down. I hope you go very low than that because my desk space is not that big, as you can see. Here we have our power adapter, which is built in. I'm quite surprised. You don't need to see those stupid adapters when you find all the monitors. They have like a separate brick and all that kind of stuff. This is built in. Wow, I'm quite surprised. This is 65 watts. It's similar to like regular normal laptop that you find, not those gaming laptop. Gaming laptop needs a lot of power, so yeah. Here we have this looks like our HDMI cable. Probably it's not. Here we have our display board, which is useful for my upcoming PC that I bought. Here we have our tools and screws. We have a monitor stand, the base. Wow, quite hefty, man. This is hefty. Wow. This is our monitor arm kind of thing. Stand arm, whatever you can call. Wow, nice. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna do the peel for you. Okay. Here we have the main attraction itself. The main attraction. Here we have our color calibration factory report. I don't understand all this, but as you can see, it is, as you can see, Delta E 1.08, which is good, I guess. You have our DCI-P P3 gamut, which is good also. Alright, the main coup de grace. Let's go! Holy, yes. Holy cow! Damn! Here we have our actual monitor, 34-inch. Wow! I'm quite surprised, man. This is better than my old regular ass Acer monitor that I own. I can buy the Acer one, but honestly, this sells for $260. Just get this instead, you know. And we have some steps, but I will gonna do it later once I assemble the stand, which probably I can do it now lah. But so yeah, well, why not we can just start doing the installation of the stand. Alright guys, honestly, it can fit, but I have to modify my shelf so that I can, you know, put something below. But anyways, it looks good, but I have to test if the screen is damaged or not. Honestly, this is brand new. I shouldn't need to be worried about. But now left with these two plastic wrapping, and also I'm gonna need to set up the table and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so before I turn on this thing, I'm gonna talk about the board selection. So they have some clips which I need to remove it out. Okay, I just move off. Probably I just keep just leave it inside the box, I guess. No idea. So inside we have our DC in for our power adapter, 2 HDMI 2.0, 2 DisplayPort, probably is 2.1 or something like that, and we have our built-in headphone jack, which no idea why they do have the headphone jack inside, probably because of the HDMI and the DisplayPort. And we have the nipple button, the like a joystick, which is a big improvement than my Acer one, which is like you have to finicle around the buttons on the bottom of your monitor, which is kind of unelegant, but this is the big improvement from my old Acer that I have sold on Carousel a while back. And also I remember from what I've seen online and reviews that on the back it has some RGB LED mood lighting. Honestly, I really don't care because it's always be on the back. Yeah, it doesn't make a lot of sense to me. So yeah, well, I want to set up plus my laptop, and from there I'm going to tell you what is the specs and, you know, all that kind of stuff. Alright guys, so I have just finally finished set up my desk, as you can see here. But before that, I will gonna tell you guys the key features on this Xiaomi G34WQi gaming monitor, ultra wide. First up, it features a 100% sRGB, 95% of DCI-P, color calibrated out of the box. As you can see on the previous clip, it has the paper that has the color calibration report for the DCI-P3 and the sRGB. This is perfect for anyone who is finding for a budget gaming monitor, or like productivity monitor that has like a 100% sRGB or 95% DCI-P3, like fully calibrated out of the box, budget, ultra wide gaming monitor. It can be a gaming monitor or a productivity monitor, it really doesn't matter. But I will use it for mainly gaming, plus also for content creation, plus watching content on that, or maybe probably also play movies on that. So aside from the color calibrator, which I think I will not say too much about it, it also features a VA panel, which hear me out. I have a bad impression on VA panel initially, but after I have used it for the past few days, it really doesn't matter to me, honestly, because after comparing this to my old Acer monitor that I tested using it for the past few years, which I owned originally, it's the same lah, but it's a bit cheaper. VA is a bit cheaper than the IPS. I initially want to buy the MSI 40-inch ultra wide monitor that has the IPS display, but the issue is it's $700. I don't have that money to spend $700 on an ultra wide monitor. Plus, also it's really big. It's too big already. I don't think 40-inch it can fit on my desk setup. As you can see here, I have a limited space to work with. And also I have to build my gaming PC soon. Stay tuned, get subscribed, guys. Back to the topic, that this monitor is a VA panel. It's okay. It really doesn't affect my daily usage for the past few days for this Xiaomi G34WQi Ultrawide Gaming Monitor. Let's move on to the next few key points on this gaming monitor, that it is height adjustable. You can go up and down, turn left and right, and you can like tilt, which is very versatile than my Acer monitor that I owned for the past few years before I sold it on Carousel. And this is very versatile monitor, which is a big move and a big change from me personally, that I have used monitor for the past few years. Moving on, the OSD, it is similar to one of the LG Ultra Gear Samsung Odyssey gaming monitors for their on-screen menus. The design, which looks similar, but nothing to complain. The navigation easiness is quite simple. It is straightforward. Nothing to say too much on the on-screen menu. It has a nipple button that you can, as you can see, navigate the on-screen menu. Also, just to let you guys know, I am using my laptop to display out on my ultrawide monitor, and if outputs the resolution to 1440p, but the problem is it caps out to 50 Hz because I'm currently using HDMI, and it goes to Intel Iris Xe integrated graphics card on my laptop. Doesn't go straight to the 1650, but unless if I go and downgrade the resolution to 1080p or all that kind of stuff, it really kind of pointless for me to get this monitor if you are using a gaming laptop, which I'm using my laptop temporarily with the full 1440p, which caps out 50 Hz. And also same goes to the games, 1440p, 50 Hz. I can't increase up to at least, I don't know, 75 Hz, 120, 144 Hz. It doesn't work because this one is supposed up to 2.0. DisplayPort is a 1.4. That's all I can say about this ultrawide gaming monitor that I bought. All I can say, this is the best investment for me personally to bought this monitor for gaming and watch content, all that kind of stuff. And also, it is very good for multitasking. Multitaskers, you put one window down there, one window down there, one window down there, so on and so forth. That's all I can say about this monitor, I got nothing that much. But if you want to see other alternative reviews for this Xiaomi monitor, go check it out. I found the Tom's Hardware for this, the article. You can go check them out at the link in the video description. Alright guys, before I end this video, I have some issues that I have to clarify. Alright guys, before you all head out and buy this Xiaomi G34WQi Ultrawide monitor, as this is a VA panel, as you can see there are some sign of burn in. Please be careful. If you guys are planning to buy this, or if you all got this brand new, or you all guys do not use that often, like 2-3 hours and kind of stuff, please be careful. Do not turn on for longer periods of time. If you are not using, please turn off. Or if you are using it for work or that kind of stuff, please just keep it as is. Do not use it prolongedly. Please turn off, or else this burn in will occur. Please be careful. Just a PSA for you guys. And if you all have this issue, you all should try claim the warranty, all that kind of stuff. I am not too sure if it's warranty claimable. I'm currently settling with the Xiaomi stuff, all that kind of stuff. That's it for this video. I forgot to talk about it. I'm using the IESO monitor test, the uniformity, and I can see some burnt in, as you can see here. So that's my PSA for all of the G34WQi owners out there. Please be careful. That's it for this Xiaomi Ultrawide monitor unboxing and first look. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Check out my gaming channel at the top right hand corner. And that's it for this video, and I catch you guys next time. Bye.